Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today, in this video, I am gonna show you how to show file extensions on Windows 11. As we know, File Explorer hides the extension of known file types by default. However, there are a few ways that you can apply to show the extension. So, let's begin. Firstly, open File Explorer, then click on View. In the Show menu, click on File Extension option. Now you will be able to see extension of the files. You can also go to Options menu, then go to View, and unselect the Hide extension for known file types. Then click Apply, and then OK, the extensions will now be visible to you. You can also turn this feature on from the Settings app of your PC. Firstly, open Start and Search Settings. Go to System, and then click on For Developers page. Select File Explorer, and turn on the Show File Extensions button. When you open File Explorer, the file extensions will be visible. Another way to do this is by using the command prompt to make changes to the registry. Be careful while using this method, as changing the registry setting may cause problems if not done correctly, so create a backup before proceeding. Open Start and Search Terminal option. Select Run as Administrator, and run the command provided in the description below. And now, you will be able to see the file extensions. So, that was all for this video. Consider like for the video and do subscribe to the channel, and if you do have any question, just comment down below. Thank you for watching, and have a great day ahead.